are seeing some of the tariffs pass through into consumer prices. It's not one for one, but we definitely have seen some goods prices, sporting goods, furniture, autos. We've seen signs of pass-through from the tariffs, and those are areas where we've seen some weakness in consumer spending. So despite a very strong job market and consumers doing generally very well, there has been some apparent reaction. We've got consumption tracking just 2.2% in Q2.
Right.
That's after a weak 1.2 performance in Q1. So we need to keep an eye on the consumer when we're thinking about the hopium that Bob alluded to in terms of valuing these companies. We really need to keep a close eye on the consumer.
Julia, where are you for the year now? We started out strong. I wondered, are the tariffs going to have an immediate negative effect, so all of a sudden the second half to you looks like a 2 instead of a 2.5, or is this a longer-term issue?
Yeah, I mean, we do expect a moderation through the second half of the year. And the key right now is we just think of it as a bit of a tax, that you'll see a little bit slower hiring, a little bit less investment, a little bit less spending. But the thing to keep an eye on is that more nonlinear dynamic. If we see these negotiations go off the rails and we start to see more fear creep into markets and investing and hiring decisions, then that's something we need to worry about. Right now, it just looks like a headwind.
Let's bring in John on that. You fearful, sir, around these markets with everything going on? Or is this something, look, we've seen a lot of support for what the president's doing lately, even from Tom Friedman, in a way, as Michelle said yesterday. This is the foreign policy establishment kind of saying to this president, you know, okay, maybe some of these measures with China are necessary. So you have to figure out what this means for your investments. Where does it bring us?
Well, it brings us at our shop to be balanced, very diversified, because we, like everyone else, don't know how the trade talks are going to go. And as Julia said, what the impacts are going to be on the economy, let's say, through the summer and into the fall, because we did get mixed economic reports this week. It's not taking us out of markets. One of the things that's impressing us this week is it's really all the major markets are moving up. The dollar's moving up, commodities are moving up. REITs, now it's specialized for stocks in U.S. large caps, but this is impressive. There is hopium, as Bob said, around the trade talks. We're staying balanced and diversified, Kelly, in this environment.